This is the Kansas City Star for Education. It's a free tool that the Star provides for educators. I use it for my sixth grade social studies classes. It's a great way for the kids to keep up with current events. You have four things to choose from. Once you're logged in, you can access the e-edition of the paper. And we'll go through this sometimes as a class and just read the headlines or pick a section, maybe the sports or the weather to read, business section as well, and just discuss it as a class. Or I'll have the kids each on their iPad log in and find a current event, then just write a paragraph summarizing what they've read. Another thing you can do, which is pretty cool, is go into the videos. It will give you a drop down of the grades you are teaching, so elementary, middle, or high school or college. I usually do middle school for the sixth graders. And it just gives you YouTube videos of what to watch. Sometimes it's science, sometimes it's math, other times they're just fun songs or interesting stories to watch. The kids really enjoy the videos. The featured apps, they just tell you which apps are popular right now in school. Unfortunately, we cannot download every app we want in our district, so we don't really use the featured apps part, but it is nice to see what you can use on your own iPad as a teacher. And then here we have flashcards and other tools that you can use to improve the learning experience for your kids. So I think the KC Star for Education is really, really good, especially for social studies. Give those kids the experience of reading the paper and keeping up with current events.